Good morning. Uh, Today I am going to show you the snowfall in our place, Brooklyn. Approximately 20 to 24 inches are reported to be here, today's snowfall, and the temperature is to be is about minus 4 degrees centigrade. I will show you our streets and our surroundings. Yeah, here, this is the steps. Here are the steps. We should be very careful, otherwise we'll sit down. Yeah, yeah, it's falling. It's falling like anything. Still falling down. And I can experience in a beautiful way. This is for the first time in my life. I'm seeing such a lovely scenery. All the cars are filled with, covered with snow, and it's still going down. Look at that, wonderful. People are finding it very difficult. Though cars are coming, but it'll be slippery here. We should be very careful driving. Yeah, it's going. And I am enjoying. The temperature is minus 4 degrees centigrade here in Brooklyn. Yeah, cars are coming. Very difficult to move. I think it's very difficult. You can see the steps. Should be very careful on walking, otherwise we will slip down. And very good experience. For the first time in my life. Yeah, you can see the steps here. Snow is still falling down. Today we are expecting a snowstorm, and that will be around about 2 o'clock in the evening. Still dogs are going. Still. I'm afraid to walk down the street because it is completely snow. One guy is trying to peel off the snow.